everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a new CashApp account on a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To make a new account for CashApp or to get started with CashApp, the first thing to do is to make sure to download the application for your iPhone or your Android. Simply go ahead and open up your Play Store or your App Store and get the app downloaded. Once it is downloaded, tap on the application from your app drawer. From the first interface of CashApp, it'll ask you to enter your phone or your email. If you want to use email, tap on Use Email at the bottom left. Enter your email address or your phone number in the text box. Once you are done, tap Next at the bottom right. Enter the confirmation code sent to your email address, open up your email app and open up your email received from CashApp. Copy the code. After verifying your email, on the next page, confirm your country. You need to link a bank using your debit card. Go ahead and enter your debit card number in the text box or tap on Skip. Enter your first name and your last name in the text box. Tap the Next button at the bottom. After you are done, choose a cash tag for yourself. Your cash tag should be unique and people should enter your cash tag whenever they are paying you on CashApp. So go ahead and enter a cash tag you'd like to use and tap the Next button at the bottom. Enter your postcode on the next page and tap on the Next button at the bottom. Enter your mobile number on the next page and tap on the Next button at the bottom. Enter the SMS code sent to the mobile number on the next page and tap on the Next button again. Now see which friends are on CashApp already by tapping the Continue button. You need to allow CashApp to access your contact in order to sync your contact from your mobile device. Simply tap on Allow to do so and add your friends from your contacts list. If none of them are active on CashApp, then you can also invite them by tapping on the Get button right next to their contact name. Soon after you invite a friend, you'll be able to create or make a new account for CashApp. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.